Take the blue pill and follow the crowd. Take the red pill and discover the language that still powers the world.
Red pill or blue pill? In this video, a guru holds out two pills. The red pill, COBOL, a language with few developers, little competition, and real job opportunities. The blue pill, AI, automation, vibe coding, crowded fields where everyone is selling the same trendy services. The message is clear. The language you choose to learn can shape your career. While thousands compete to stand out in overhyped fields, COBOL quietly powers the systems we all rely on: banks, insurance, government. At Pacta Cobol, we're helping people rediscover this essential language. We offer affordable and beginner-friendly training, lessons that don't require a tech background, real COBOL examples you can test, dozens of short, accessible videos on our Pacta Cobol YouTube channel. Sometimes the smart move isn't the popular one. Choose the red pill and learn COBOL. Visit cobol.pacta.com website.